Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can get our snap streak back. So for that you need to open up your Snapchat and then go to your profile, and on your profile you need to hit up to your settings. For that you need to click on top right hand side corner, then scroll down, and under the support section you will be able to find this option of I need help. Just click on it, then select this option of I lost my snap streak. And here you will find that you will have to choose this option of I lost my snap streak. Then scroll down and then choose this option of how do I restore my snap streak, the first one. Wait for it. After that scroll down and you have to provide the information about it, your personal information too. You can also send only one friend's username per submission, and after that make sure that you select no over here while selecting yes or no in the last option, and provide the description like you sent a snap to your friend but it didn't count as a snap streak, and make some lame excuse, and this way they will be able to accept it and then submit it. So this way you will be able to get your snap streak back, and this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.